cocoa and milk served hot. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a warming beverage, comforting hot cocoa, also known as hot chocolate. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Gather unsweetened cocoa. And place it into a skillet over low heat. Before continuing, make sure to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other fun recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe below the video so you know when we release new recipes. Gather cinnamon, salt, and cayenne pepper. Add spices to the skillet. Normally I add ground ginger, but since I am making cocoa for someone else, I'm skipping the ginger for today. Toast while stirring 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from heat and set aside. Open coconut milk. If solid, carefully stir until incorporated. Measure out half a cup and pour into blender. What warm drinks do you make for cold days and cold nights? Tell us your favorite. Comment below the video. Pour in toasted spices too. Measure milk. And add milk to the blender. Add maple syrup too. If needed, wipe edge of blender with a paper towel. Blend on high speed 1 minute. If you have enjoyed this beverage recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel and click on notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Pour blended cocoa into a pot over medium heat. Stir until fully combined and heat it through. Taste. If needed, add sugar or sugar substitute. Combine one final time and serve. Warm hot cocoa for the soul. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.